making Philly cheese steaks. And the ingredients will be, okay, so we have some Hoagie Rolls, okay. We have some lettuce that will not cause E. coli. We have some vegan provolone style slices. It's vegan. We have some Romaine tomatoes, so a sweet yellow onion, 2 green peppers, some Portabella Mushrooms. Then we have garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, seasoning salt, extra virgin olive oil, and some measuring cup. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome back. So we have washed our hands and our mom has pre-cut our vegetables, which are our lettuce, Romaine tomatoes that are tiny, green pepper, and sweet onion. So now I'm gonna cut these Portabella mushrooms stems off. Yeah. So well, first we have to take off the stem. The stem. You take a spoon.
Are you gonna cook them?
Yeah. You cook your mushrooms. Nice. Nice and tender. And if you want to be fat, you fry them. Because you got that extra batter and that. Yeah. You just want to have a little cheat day that day, you can fry them. Yeah. We will. It's okay. We're all done. Then we're gonna get to cooking next.
In the video with your phone.
Like a whole match. There's not fish. It's not like that cheese that you get at the store that you have to open the plastic bag. Well, I didn't like it.
To introduce?
Yeah. Okay, so if you were wondering.
Layla, stop being weird.
So if you were wondering who we were answering questions to, it was our great grandma Lenora from Akron, Ohio. Just like that. Now we're gonna season is gonna season it up. The mushrooms. With the mushrooms, he's gonna put in 1/4 teaspoon of garlic. Oh, actually 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder because we're doubling our recipe. If you didn't know that. Here you go. And he's gonna put that in our mushrooms. Great. And then we're gonna put 1/2 teaspoon also of onion powder. That's onion stuff. Yeah. And then 1/4 teaspoon of seasoning salt. I'm just gonna put 1/4 teaspoon of some seasoning salt. Okay, and then we are all ready to get to cooking our mushrooms. Okay, so we are all done seasoning our mushrooms, and we've added 6 tablespoons of oil into the pan. Hot. Yep, it's very hot. Yeah. So then we're gonna take our onion, and green pepper into our water. Our oil. Yeah. So I'm just gonna easily, whoa, this is burning hot. And then these are gonna be cooking for a couple of minutes, and before you put in your mushrooms. So after in here for a couple of minutes. We're gonna put in
the mushrooms.
our mushrooms. Okay, so we have put our vegetables into the pan with our mushrooms, and now I'm going to add in 4 slices of the vegan provolone cheese.
And here are our hoagies that we put in the oven for 5 minutes with some olive oil. That's
On 350
100%
degrees.
good fat.
2, 3.
This is not like that cheese that you get at the store that you have to open the plastic bag that's super sealed
That cheese
tight
is gross.
on it.
That cheese is disgusting.
Yeah. That gross.
4,
nastiness.
and then we're just gonna place the top back on and let it melt. Okay, so we forgot to add this, but we're using some Veganaise on our hoagies. Yep, and we're just gonna spread some of that, and we're gonna add some lettuce, tomato, and put on our mixture. Well, first we're gonna add our mixture, then lettuce and tomato. The Veganaise is really good. It's just vegan mayo. So now, gotta bring our plates over here because we're not gonna travel it over here. And we're gonna put on the nice mixture. And the cheese melted. So we have to grab our tongs. And we're gonna put some of this with our tongs. Grab some mushroom, grab some everything, and sprinkle it on there. Just like that.
Like making a half noodle.
Yeah. And then you're gonna, oh, they're done for you. And then you're gonna come over here. You're gonna put your lettuce and tomatoes onto we're going to put some tomatoes onto we're ready to try them. Okay, so now we're going to try our delicious Philly cheese steaks.
That tastes like heaven.
Did you see?
You know what I mean? It tastes like heaven.
Makes it so delicious. Yeah. I really only got a bite of bread, but it was so good. It tasted great.
I only got a bit of bite of bread too.
Okay, so thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Hope you try this. Turn on those notifications. Comment. And we'll see you next time on 2 Vegan Kids. So now I'm just going to eat this. Can I eat it now?
Yes.
Can I have a piece of
Y'all just gonna leave Granny? I cannot deal with these. That means she likes it.
You gotta do their closing. You gotta do